In 2013, it was everywhere. But it wasn't just the sky swamped with smog. In China's media and online, the whole country was complaining about the haze invading their lives. The number one weapon in fighting smog are these. The quality of masks on offer in China can vary widely. So Fang Da decided to road test various models and share his findings with the country. In November 2013, Fang from Zhejiang in East China started publishing his findings on WeChat, one of China's most popular social networks. Since then, he's gained over 100,000 followers.
When air pollution is really bad, my followers increase 1 or even 2,000 every day. I feel happy but also concerned because everyone is anxious about the pollution and they feel helpless.
Fang, a cyclist and outdoor enthusiast, knows all too well the pain of suffering from chronic pollution.
There's an old saying in China which says it's better to teach people to fish rather than give them fish. That's the reason I wrote this article. I hope people can master the skill of choosing the right mask because too many of them don't actually protect the user.
Fang road tests masks in subways, motor vehicles and indoors. Using special monitors, he records the findings before publishing the results for each mask on WeChat.
I teach people how to buy a good mask and how to wear it. I also teach them how to purchase a qualified air cleaner. I give them relevant information such as what PM 2.5 is and how other countries battle smog. I think it's necessary to let people know how to protect themselves.
While he's pleased with his growing fan base, Fang says he actually yearns for the day when his number of followers declines, because then China will have regained her clean air and blue sky.